In 1965, Cadillac wasn't just building cars, it was building dreams on wheels. And the Fleetwood 60 Special was one of its crown jewels. Measuring over 224 inches in length, this was a car that commanded presence. Its sleek chrome grille, stacked headlights, and clean, angular lines gave it a bold, modern look, the kind that turned heads on every street corner. Under the hood, it packed serious muscle, a 429 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 340 horsepower and massive torque. For a luxury sedan, this kind of performance was unheard of. But Cadillac never settled for ordinary. Interior: step inside, and the 60 Special welcomes you with quiet luxury. Soft leather upholstery, genuine wood accents, and a spacious cabin that felt more like a private lounge. Power windows, power seats, automatic climate control, even a power antenna, all standard. In 1965, this was nothing short of revolutionary. On the road, the Fleetwood glided like a yacht. The suspension was tuned for comfort, not speed, and it delivered a ride so smooth, you could hold a cup of coffee without spilling a drop. This was Cadillac's signature, magic carpet ride, and the 60 Special was the best example of it. 1965 marked a turning point in Cadillac design. Gone were the heavy fins of the 50s, replaced by sleek, modern lines and a refined elegance that reflected the times. The 60 Special stood out even among Cadillacs. It wasn't just a car, it was a status symbol, reserved for those who had truly made it. Today, the 1965 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special remains a timeless classic, not just for its beauty, but for what it represents, an era when craftsmanship mattered, when luxury meant something, and when Cadillac was king. This was more than a car. This was the 1965 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, where style met substance, and every drive was a statement. You enjoyed this journey through classic automotive history? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button for more timeless machines and legendary stories. Thanks for watching.